Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and to the cricketing video. So it's the breaking news right now from the world of cricket that Mahendra Singh Dhoni has announced his retirement from international cricket, and it's a very shocking news for me because as a MS Dhoni fan, I wasn't expecting this right now, and it came as a sudden news for me and for all the Mahendra Singh Dhoni fans. And he took his Instagram handle last night to address his retirement. He wrote, he wrote, "Thanks a lot for your love and support throughout. From 1929 hours, considered me as retired." So this can only be done by the Mahendra Singh Dhoni only because of his uniqueness, and this was really shocking news for me. And after reading this for 15 to 20 seconds, I was little shocked because I wasn't sure because अगर अभी देखो भी तो उसमें पूरा ऑफिशियली नहीं लिखा है कि वो रिटायरमेंट ले रहे हैं. इसमें भी पूरा उन्होंने अलग तरीके से लिखा है. एंड आई वाज जस्ट रीडिंग टू द कमेंट्स एंड गोइंग टू द कमेंट्स एंड न्यूज़ एंड ऑल. So when I opened my TV and I got to see the news, then I saw that Mahendra Singh Dhoni has retired from the international cricket, and I wasn't expecting this. But the best thing about Mahi is his uniqueness to all his messages and the way he handles his messages to convey all his community to the people. So this is a very unique thing of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and a lot of people might have thinking that Dhoni might have taken this decision just because the failure of the semi-final World Cup which India lost to the England. But I basically think this is not because the whole reality. बिकॉज अगर उनको रिटायरमेंट लेना ही होता तो वो भी ले चुके होते. इतना बड़ा इंतज़ार नहीं होता है. इट्स मोर देन 1 year गाइस. सो दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू से. एंड I basically think that he was looking at this T20 World Cup which was scheduled to happen this year, but because of coronavirus pandemic it is postponed. So I think he wanted to play this year's World Cup, and जो उनके माइंड में था वो यही था कि he want to play this year's World Cup which was scheduled to be in October, and also wanted to play the IPL because if this World Cup and IPL might have happened at the same dates like April and May and October, he might have been seen playing in the blue jersey again. But we can't say this again that MS Dhoni will be back, and it's an ultimate shock for all of us guys. So that's all. And a lot of people are posting very different things on social media. मैं आपको एक चीज़ पढ़ के बताता हूँ. I have seen this on Instagram that MSD is MSD. He captained Indian cricket team like a general of an army. He was in the mold of General Montgomery. Appeared lazy and planning a strike on his opponents behind the stumps. He could read the batsman like a trained psychologist and plot his downfall. He brought gravitas to the Indian cricket team. He shall always be attached in our minds and hearts. Goodbye, Captain Cool. And oh captain, my captain, we will miss you forever. MS Dhoni, our legend. So I was just going through all this comment, and this makes all of us emotional. That Mahendra Singh Dhoni, why Mahendra Singh Dhoni was so successful as a player and as a captain, because he controlled what was in his hands. He never tried to do which wasn't in his hands, and we'll be missing him playing in the blue jersey. And the years which MS Dhoni gave to the Indian cricket are just beyond the boundaries guys, because he's the only captain to win 3 ICC trophies, and he made us proud that day when he took the World Cup after 28 years at 2011 and 2007. We cannot forget that day also when India won the T20 World Cup at the young team with the young team. And after that 2013 and Champions Trophy that day, we all watched it, and every cricketer loves MS Dhoni, and we'll be missing him a lot. And also there's one thing that MS Dhoni is a very unique player. वो हमेशा चीज़ें करते हैं जो जो ऐसे नहीं होती हैं. तो उन्होंने अपना इंस्टाग्राम पे पोस्ट डाला which wasn't expected. Did one thing that whenever India used to win a series or a cup, धोनी पीछे हट जाते थे. वो हमेशा एक यंग प्लेयर को आगे करते थे, एंड यूज्ड टू गिव द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू द यंगस्टर उनको कप उठाने की वो पूरी अपॉर्चुनिटी देते थे, और ये बहुत उनकी अच्छी चीज़ें थी। क्योंकि अगर हम बात करें एम एस धोनी के बारे में तो वीडियो तो चलते ही रहेगा और हम बात करते ही रहेंगे। तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं एम एस धोनी की, द लेगेसी ऑफ एम एस धोनी, द एरा ऑफ एम एस धोनी हैज़ बीन एंडेड नाउ, एंड वी कांट डू एनीथिंग बट just we can do is wish him luck for his new journey for beyond the cricket with his family. And also there is one thing that he will be seeing playing IPL, so we should be happy that he will be playing IPL, and he proved us that he will be given a team. If he will be given a team of full of youngsters in the IPL, उनको भी वो IPL के टॉप 4 पे क्वालिफाई करा देंगे। क्योंकि if we see the stats of चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स इन द IPL, हमेशा उन्होंने प्ले ऑफ में क्वालिफाई किया है और 3 बार उन्होंने कप जीता है। सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग ऑफ एम एस धोनी, एंड वी शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ दैट, और उनकी लेगेसी है। और एम एस धोनी की जैसा कोई प्लेयर ना था और ना कभी आ पाएगा। दैट एम एस धोनी ओनली, and we'll be missing him. And I just want to say MS Dhoni that thanks for the inception years to the Indian cricket, and we'll be missing you a lot, and thanks for all the memories, for all the things you have done to the Indian cricket, and all the best to your new journey. And Suresh Raina have also announced his retirement, and so basically I was shocked that why Suresh Raina announced his retirement, because सुरेश रैना की अभी इतनी ज़्यादा एज नहीं थी, वो जस्ट 35. एम एस धोनी वॉज 3 years bigger than him for 3-4 years. And सुरेश रैना का it was very shocking, because सुरेश रैना, if we see him on Instagram, he's just posting regular videos, and I wasn't expecting कि सुरेश रैना भी रिटायरमेंट ले सकते हैं. But that's the friendship guys, कि उन्होंने अपने साथ एम एस धोनी के साथ ही रिटायरमेंट लिया है, and that's the true friendship of सुरेश रैना and एम एस धोनी. And we will be missing MS Dhoni, so miss you Mahi, and I love you MS. You were my favorite player of all time, and I can't forget you. Bye guys.